Hello and welcome back to my channel Anshika Goel Illustrator. So today we are going to study about the male block figure, and before that let me tell you some detailings and the difference between male and female block figure. This is the female block figure. So previously we have done this in 12 head sections, and now we are going to do male figure on 13 head. Why 13 head? Because it is obvious that the height of males are shown bigger than the female one. So this is the standard, the ideal figures. So what we have to do is, for making it in 13 head, we have to increase each and every proportion. Suppose this is the female proportion of our croquis. It is in 1 inch. So now in male, what we are going to do is to increase the size. So we will increase 2 blocks over here. The shoulders are total 8 block here, 8 block here, is it's total 16 blocks. So what we are going to do is, because in male the shoulders are always broad than female, it's obvious, so we are going to increase some blocks over here. Similarly, we are going to just adjust and move this waistline, hip line bit downward. So this is the difference between male and the female one. So let's start the male croquis. For that, the first step is, as we have to make 13 head croquis, so just draw a 13 inches line, mark points on each section, each inch section, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to 13. So I'm marking points over here, and then make lines passing through these points. So this way we have to make lines. It should be proper straight, make sure about it. So in the female croquis, what we have done is, we have made the width of our head in 3 blocks, or we can say 1 centimeter. But because now we are making the male croquis, so of course the head size will increase, so the width and the length will increase. So now we are going to take 4 blocks. That is, what is block? Let's just revise once. This is inch section. Each inch has 8 blocks, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and each block is divided into 2 sub blocks. So if I say you have to take 2.5 block, that means 1 2 and this half. If I says you have to just draw 4 blocks, 1 2 3 and 4, and because 1 inch is equal to 8 blocks, then that means half inch is equal to 4 blocks. So now we have to make width of 4 blocks. Put your scale over here, and yeah, but before that, let's denote each and every point with an alphabet. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. And also mark each and every section with numericals, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and this one is 13. So let's come on to our first section, that is A and B. Put your scale on this point A. Let's just put your scale, and then 4 block this side and 4 this. 1 2 3 and 4 here, mark with your pencil. 1 2 3 and 4 here, and done. So here we have got a line of 4 blocks each. So as now we have increased the width, so obvious we have to increase the length as well. But before that, let's do one thing. In the female section also, our neck, our shoulder lies in this second section, B and C. And same as in male, we have to divide this for making our neck and shoulder. So now let's divide this B and C with an imaginary line at middle. So B and C is 1 inch and the mid of it will be half inch. Half inch is equal to 4 blocks. You can count also 1, 2, 3 and 4 and here. So make a dash line passing through this point. Make a dash line and this is done. Now divide these 2 points. This is 4 blocks and the half of it will be 2 block. So you can mark a point as well, 1, 2. So at 2 blocks we have made this point, and from this point, so let's just also denote it and label it. This is 4 block and this point is at 2 block, and from this point put your scale over here and mark to 4 block the same way we did in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4 this line, 1, 2, 3, 4 this line. So what have we got is our head area. Join these 2 lines. So we have got our head area. You can see, let's just compare with this female figure as well. It was in this 1 inch. The width and the height was total of 1 inch, and here it is 2 blocks more than 1 inch. So this is the difference in female as well as male croquis. Now for neck as well as our shoulder, what we have to do is we have to divide these 2 lines. So let's divide it again at half. That will be 2 blocks. So let's just divide and let's just write again 2 blocks, and this is 4 blocks. Now at this line we have to make our shoulder point. For our shoulder point, let's do one thing. Put your scale at this point and done. Now the shoulder width in our female was 8 block this side, 8 block this side, but this is a male figure and we all know that the shoulder of male are always broader than female. So we will increase 1 block on the both side. So it will be 9 blocks. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this 9. Make a line till 9 blocks and then make a line till 9 blocks here and denote it 9, 9. From this point to this point, join a line so that when we will do our fleshing, it will get easier for us to make slope over there. This way. Now put your scale on these 2 points. So firstly here where our head is ending at this point, put your scale and mark 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Here make a line. 1, 2, 3. Here make a line. 3 blocks and 3 blocks. Similarly, put your scale over here where there is our shoulder line. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, and let's draw a line over here. So we have got our neck area as well. So now we have our head section, our neck section, and as well as our shoulder section, and you can just simply remove this shoulder line over here. Fine, so this is the easiest way to make our head, neck as well as shoulder. Now let's move on to waistline so that we can create our bodice area. In the female figure, our waistline lies in this fourth section. But now in the male, it is of 13 head croquis that we are making. So our waist will simply lie in the fifth section. So we will shift this waist to fifth section. So let's count. This one is the fifth section. That is E and F. Let's divide this E and F at half. That will be 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark a point over here and make a line. Dash line. Make a dash line, and at this point mark 6 blocks both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 block. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 block. So we have got our waistline over here. So let's just quickly join this shoulder to our waistline. And done. Now the next line that we have to make is our hip line. And for the hip line, the same procedure we have done in the female croquis, that is the neck section of the waistline. Waist was in EF and the next will be FG. So in this FG, divide the line at half. Divided, right? And then put your scale at this point and mark 8 blocks both the side. But here's a question, why we have done 8 blocks? But in the female figure, I have told you guys to just draw the same measurement line as of shoulder. So let's just compare over here. The hip line is equal to shoulder line in female. Why? Because this is the standard figure that your bust and hips should be heavy. Your hip size should be as same as the shoulder size, right? मैंने आप लोगों को प्रीवियस जो हमने फीमेल क्रॉकी इलस्ट्रेशन किया है उसमें आपको बोला है द हिप्स मेजरमेंट शुड बी सेम एज द शोल्डर वन, बिकॉज वो एक फीमेल का अप्रोप्रिएट फिगर है. बट इन द मेल वी ऑल नो मेल्स में शोल्डर्स आर ब्रॉडर देन देयर होल बॉडी. सो मेल्स के शोल्डर्स उनकी पूरी बॉडी से ब्रॉड होते हैं, राइट? तो हम अगर यहाँ पे हिप लाइन पे सेम मेज़रमेंट रखेंगे तो उनके शोल्डर ब्रॉड नहीं दिखेंगे बल्कि उनके हिप्स हैवी हो जाएंगे. सो हेयर वी हैव टू मार्क 8 ब्लॉक्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज शोल्डर आर ऑफ 9 ब्लॉक्स और हमें हिप्स को कम दिखाने हैं जिससे हमारे शोल्डर्स ब्रॉड दिखें. सो मार्क 8 blocks दिस साइड, 8 blocks this side to make the hip line. So अगर आप ऑल इन ऑल प्रपोर्शन देखें तो हमारे शोल्डर का प्रपोर्शन ज़्यादा है जो कि हमारे मेल फिगर को डिनोट करता है. देन कम्स, आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड, क्रॉच जो लाइन होती है, द क्रॉच पॉइंट विल ऑलवेज लाइन 2 blocks बिलो द हिप लाइन. सो ये हमारा हिप लाइन है, इससे 2 blocks नीचे हम एक लाइन बनाएंगे. दिस इज 2 blocks डाउन, राइट? सो ये हमारा क्रॉच पॉइंट हो जाएगा. अब हमें कैसे लाइन बनानी है, लेट्स जस्ट सी. और ये जो हमारा है ये 4 blocks है. ये जो हमारा वेस्ट का था ये भी 4 blocks था. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वेस्ट पॉइंट टू दिस हिप पॉइंट ड्रॉ अ लाइन लाइक दिस एंड देन टू द crotch point. Similarly, do here, hip line to the crotch point. So now you can clearly see over here a appropriate proportion is coming. The shoulders are becoming broad, waist is not very thin as we do in our females की waist हम thin दिखाते हैं, but males की we can't show thin. So hips are broad but not heavy. So this is the proportion that we have to keep in mind where to subtract and add the blocks. Then the knee will shift one section down, that is in the 9th section. So what is the 9th section? Here I and J. 9th section is I and J section, and now for that we have to again divide this I and J at half, and from this point put your scale and mark 6 block both the side. So 6 block, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, done. 6 blocks and 6 block. What is this? This is our knee line. After that, coming on to ankle. Ankle line lies in the 12th section, that is L and M section. So for that, what you have to do is mark 2 blocks above this M point. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे भी लिख लेते हैं कि यहाँ we have to mark 4 block distance, and here we have to mark 2 blocks above. This is 2 blocks. M से 2 block ऊपर we have to mark a point, and putting your scale at this point, that is here, mark 3 blocks, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. We can also say that knee ka half. Knee is total 12, right, and it is total 6. तो हमें एंकल पॉइंट को नी का हाफ रखना है. अब हम अगर ड्रॉ करेंगे, सो मार्क योर pencil over here, starting from this hip, join to knee, then to ankle. Okay, one more thing. नी का हम दोनों पॉइंट्स लेंगे so that it will be easier for you to make curves. So at this point J, put your scale at this point and mark 7 blocks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here and here. ये 6 ब्लॉक्स हैं दोनों साइड और ये 7. सो हमारे पास एक कर्व आ गया, so that whenever we will do our fleshing हमें easy रहेगा to know where our curves are going to lie. So like this and this. Now coming on to our toe point on this N section, M and N, at this 13th section, mark your scale, put your scale over this N and make 5 blocks line both the side. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 here, and then join from this point, and this is done. So हमारा bodice आ चुका है. Now the last thing is our hands. So hands के लिए आप लोगों का सिंपल सा टिप है, हमेशा you have to keep in mind that elbow will lie parallel to waistline. जहाँ भी आपकी waistline है उसी के पैरेलल, उसी सेक्शन में आपको अपना elbow दिखाना है, and your hands this hand will lie in the mid of thigh. So हमारी thigh ये है, इसके मिड में आपको अपने हैंड्स को दिखाने हैं. सो अब प्रपोर्शन वाइज अगर हम पढ़ें, सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. पुट योर स्केल ऑन दिस एंड पॉइंट ऑफ वेस्ट लाइन. यहाँ पे हमने अपना स्केल रखा. मार्क 5 ब्लॉक्स अबव अ पॉइंट. 1 2 3 4 5 ब्लॉक्स. क्यों? बिकॉज हम बॉडी से लगा हुआ हाथ नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, हम हैंड्स को थोड़ा सा अपार्ट रख रहे हैं फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सो हमने 5 ब्लॉक का एक डिस्टेंस चुना. सेम फ्रॉम दिस साइड 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. यहाँ पे भी हमने 5 ब्लॉक का डिस्टेंस चुना. देन फ्रॉम दिस 5 ब्लॉक, ये जो हमने पॉइंट्स बनाए हैं 2, उस पॉइंट पर स्केल रखो. पुट योर स्केल ओवर दिस पॉइंट, ये जो पॉइंट है, एंड मार्क 3 ब्लॉक्स 1 2 एंड 3. ये 1 2 एंड 3 दिस. सो ये क्या है? ये हमारी एल्बो पॉइंट का विड्थ आ चुका है. 3 ब्लॉक्स एंड 3 ब्लॉक्स. सो वी हैव टू सिंपली join this point to this shoulder point, both the sides. इसको यहाँ से and this point to here. And after that what we have to do is this point to this chest point. तो हमें इस लाइन से दूसरे पॉइंट को मिला देना है, like this. हमारे एल्बो तक हैंड्स हमें मिल चुके हैं. एंड देन एज आई हैव सेड, मिड ऑफ थाई तक हमें अपने हैंड्स को दिखाना है. सो क्रॉच पॉइंट से नीचे जो लाइन है, दिस जी, एट दिस जी लाइन आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. सो पुट योर स्केल ओवर हेयर एट योर थाई. यहाँ से मार्क 3 ब्लॉक्स 1 2 3. Now as I have marked 3 block here, so we have to mark 3 blocks here also, 1 2 and 3. So this is the distance that we have chosen for making our hands apart. So now from this point, from these 2 points, put your scale over here, mark 2 blocks 1 and 2. That's it. Here also 1 and 2. 2 block and 2 block. Then join it to this point like this. Here and here. So we have got our wrist area. This is our wrist area. And now the last thing and the important thing is, at this G and H section, our this hand area will lie. For that, let's draw an imaginary line at the half. So this is the half of this G and H. So सिर्फ यहीं तक हम एक इमेजिनरी लाइन बनाएंगे, इसे बाद में हम रब कर देंगे. सो ये इसलिए है दैट वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड एट दिस पॉइंट आवर फिंगर एरिया विल लास्ट. सो टिल हेयर मेक 2 पैरेलल लाइन्स. Similarly make 2 parallel lines like this. Same way make 2 parallel lines, but here the another line will be shorter than this one. Fine. So this will be longer and this will be shorter. Then join and join. Now coming on to the thumb, make a point, make a line and just join. इसको हम यहाँ से join कर देंगे. So this is how we have to make our hand area. And now as all of it is done, so we have to remove this line. So now our male block figure is totally done. So let's label and revise. From the beginning, what we have done is we have drawn 13 inches line. We have marked each section at 1 inch. We have made this line and denoted it with alphabets. After that, starting from our head area, we have increased the size of head, width by 1 block and length by 2 block as in comparison to female. So we have made width of 4 blocks. Then we have divided B and C at half, and from this half we have divided it half again, taking 2 blocks distance. We have made 4 block size and our head is done. After that we have divided these 2 points and we have got our shoulder line at 9 block. We have drawn this line to this point middle, and from 3 blocks distance we have got our neck area. Then coming on to our waistline, that is in the 5th section E and F, we have divided this 5th section at half and drawn 6 block line. Then we have divided F and G section at half and drawn 8 blocks both the side. Why 8 blocks? Why is it not equal to shoulder as we have done in the female? Because the male's shoulders are broader than their whole body. So to depict that, we have taken it 1 block less than the shoulder point. So this is done at 8 block. We have drawn this line after that, and the crotch always lies 2 block below the hip line. So ये हमने 2 block का distance लिया है from the hip line. Then coming on to I and J section, at I we have drawn half, and at that half we have drawn 6 block both the side line, and at this point J we have block 7 blocks line. Then we have drawn this line. Coming on to this L and M section, at L and M we have taken 2 block distance. So from this point M I have marked 2 blocks point above the M. M के ऊपर मैंने 2 ब्लॉक का डिस्टेंस लिया है, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट आई हैव ड्रॉन 3 blocks both the side. Then coming on to this foot section, I have drawn 5 blocks from this point. Then join these lines and you will get this kind of figure. For our hands, as I've told, our elbow will gonna lie in the parallel of our waistline. So waistline is in EFN section, so elbow will also fall parallel of it. For elbow I have taken 5 block distance, and from that point, from that distant point, I have marked another point of 3 block. We have done this in both the sides, and then we have drawn these 2 lines. Once it is done, then from this G point where our thigh is being falling, so I have taken a distance of 3 block from this point, and from this point, from this distant point, I have again marked 2 block distance. Again join the line, make the same thing over here, and then for our hands, make an imaginary line at half, draw 2 parallel lines, then again draw 2 lines, one will be longer and another will be shorter. Join this by a line and make a triangular thing for your thumb. So this is how male block figure should be done. I hope you all will get the concept and everything should be clear regarding the measurements and the difference in male and female block figure. Try it at your home. If there are any query, let me know in the comment section, and keep suggesting me, keep telling me what topics you need for your illustration. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you, my 1K family. Keep supporting me by your like, share and subscribe. Thank you.